Evaluate the integral from 0 to 3 of x times the square root of 12 minus x squared dx using the substitution u is 12 minus x squared. So u is 12 minus x squared. So du dx is equal to negative 2x. That means du is equal to negative 2x dx. So negative a half du is equal to x dx. So the x and the dx here can be replaced by negative a half du. Clearly, the 12 minus x squared can be replaced by u. So we just need to change the limits. At the moment there are x limits and now we want u limits. So if x is equal to 0, u is 12 take away 0. If x is equal to 3, u is 12 take away 9, so u is 3. So we can replace everything here. Now be careful, when x is 0, u is 12, so the 12 has to go at the bottom. When x is 3, u is 3, so the 3 goes at the top. And then we have negative a half and du and the square root of u. Now, one thing you should know is that if you integrate from a to b, it's the negative of the integral from b to a. So we can switch the limits and lose this negative. So that's a half integral from 3 to 12 of u to the half du. So that's going to be a half of u to the 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, but remember dividing by 3 over 2 is the same as multiplying by 2/3. So that's going to give us that. And evaluate from 3 to 12. So that's a half of, using the top limit. Now, remember that 2u to the 3 over 2 is the same as having 2u to the 1 times u to the half. So in actual fact, I'm just going to rewrite that. So 2u root u, 2u times u to the half, over 3, from 3 to 12. And in fact, we could cancel this 2 here with this 2 here. And then we have u root u over 3 from 3 to 12. So substitute 12 in. So that's 12 root 12 over 3. With 3 in, that's 3 root 3 over 3. So that's going to be 4 root 12, take away 3 root 3. Now, root 12 is root 4 root 3, 2 root 3. So this is 8 root 3, take away 3 root 3, and that's equal to 7 root 3. Now let's just look at this one on the calculator. We could do it through Action or Interactive, but in the keyboard here we've got some integrals. We're integrating with respect to x, and our expression was x multiplied by the square root of 12 minus x squared. And we evaluated that from 0 to 3. And note that I'm in standard mode, and I get 7 root 3.